like most of us, you're sitting around about to go out of your mind. You may have little ones sitting at home, can't go to daycare, don't know what to do with them, so we put together a little video, something we're doing. We have Marshall here with us. Marshall is Christina's little boy. How old are you, Marshall? 2? No, you're not 2. 3, 3.5. So we put together some little games and we're gonna record this and send you something you can play with your kids and maybe occupy them for a few minutes. So let's come up here, Marshall. Is that 1?
1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 9.
There's 5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
5.
Now how many are there?
2.
2. And if I put 2 more, 1. See, we're entertaining you. Here we've got screws. What would you use with the screws?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver! Yay! Here we have some nuts and bolts. See that? Can you put that together? Very good. And what tool would you use to tighten that? Yes. See, it goes just like that. There you go. Good job. That completes our tool section. Okay. Now we're going to do colors.
Blue,
Blue.
red, pink,
Not pink.
purple,
Purple.
and orange.
Orange. Do you know what kind this is?
Yeah. Oliver.
Yes, they're all Olivers. Okay, first, see all the lights come on? All the lights are on? Okay, watch this. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Can you see up there? See how the grain goes across there? Isn't that neat?
You're gonna haul animals in there?
Yeah.
What kind of animals?
My cow.
You have a cow?
Yeah.
I was unaware that we had a cow. What's your cow's
What can
name?
you pull with the truck?
Prayer.